I had me one sack free snacks.
Oh, okay.
Alright, race fans, time to look alive for them front wheel drives down here to the start zone at the front straightaway. Frazier and Shepard.
The other Shepard from Brett Variety going to the outside of Frazier down into turn number 3. They're made side by side down into the corner. Now here comes Brett Shepard. He's looking to the outside of Dustin. Off to turn number 4. It will be Dustin Shepard inside the
Hoover. Side by side down back straightaway in 3 and 4. We got 11 now. It's going to be 10 laps to go to score. October, Dusty still your race leader. 10 to go.
Backs out of it and not have a lane there. 2, 3, and 4. Brett Shepard trying to look to the outside of Dusty on the corner exit. Not the only guy he was looking for. Hoover on the inside of Akers. 2, 3, and 4. That remains side by side for that 4th spot. Into 3 and 4. It is now a 4-pack for second. Brett Shepard up top, Jimmy Frazier looking down low. They're going to go 3 wide. Off the corner, 4 and Frazier. Brett Shepard for that second spot. Shepard going to lose 3 spots down the back straightaway. Now is Andrew Akers up in the second. Tyler Hoover is now got clear. Jeremy Frazier. Coming down between all of the drivers. Try to battle in deep here. Akers drilling in deep. He closes within 2 car lengths of the race leader. Hoover doesn't have the momentum down the back straightaway. Now Hoover going to look to the inside. Oh man, Shepard, a mistake. Contact for the lead off of corner number 4. Shepard. Tight on the corner exit. Look to his inside. Into 3 and 4. Hoover going to try to make that bottom side work. Akers trying to slam the door on him. This time across the line. Akers trying to look to the outside. Down the back straightaway. He's right on the back bumper. Down the back straightaway. Trying to do a little love tap here. Bump and run action. Akers will look to the inside of Shepard. Not going to have the moment. minutes.
As we see that, Hoover's going to go to the inside of Akers down the back straightaway. Hoover Moses goes ahead, gives the second spot. Right back on the top side there, down to the second part of the Speedway. Trying to speed to the 3 wide, not going to make it happen though. White flag for overtime around for Dusty
To the inside, you're really clear. They battle down the back straightaway. 3-car battle for the last time. Into 3 and 4 as Akers sends a Hail Mary. He drives it in deep. He's making contact. They're going to go 3 wide off corner number 4. It's going to be a drag race to the line. Who's going to take it? Wow, what a finish. Tyler